Hi, I'm Dave, one of the co-founders of DocSend. We joined the Dropbox family a little over a year ago. We know that video is a key tactic for prospecting and providing a personal touch in today's world. So I'm excited to share that we now offer the ability to get real-time analytics, tracking, and controls on video in DocSend. Our new video engagement and performance insights help you prioritize your follow-up and make it count, so you can connect with the right people at the right time and with the right message. Let's see it in action.
When you want every piece of your pitch to count, send everything in Dropbox DocSend. DocSend isn't just about sending files with customizable security settings. It's also discovering who's peeking in, what's got their attention, and shaping your strategy from those crucial learnings. And now, those same powerful insights are available for videos sent with DocSend, with videos embedded and displayed right in the video player. When you send a video along with your pitch materials, you can tailor how your recipient will experience it. Without the hurdle of downloading, they're instantly engaged, and you can find out exactly how engaged, how many times they watched, what piqued their interest, and even drop-off points, all without shuffling through tabs or juggling multiple programs. Everything is focused and streamlined in DocSend, so you're focusing on your relationship with your prospect, empowered by analytics specific to each deal. So for your next sales pitch, add a compelling video with DocSend. Turn your best efforts into sure wins. Try it today.